Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change owner in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to any object that you have in your organization. For example, we can take accounts here or leads. So from here, I have some leads. So after that, you will need just to access to the object or the record, and then we will need just to edit it and change its ownership. So as you can see for our lead, we cannot change it by clicking on the edit button. But there is another way to do it. It is by going to the detailed view. So from the details section, we can see that we can be able to change the owner of our lead, for example. So here we can find this change owner button. We need to click on it and basically we can find how to change the owner. And this applies on most of the objects that has ownership. So let's go to home and from here we can go, uh, let's create an account and I'm going to just create an account and I'm going to save it, and now we have created this account. So basically, if we go again to edit, we won't be able to change the account owner. But if we go to the additional information or the details section, we can see that there is the same icon here for our account owner. And if we click, most of the objects would have these options, but not all of them. So basically, you can send notification, you can transfer all, have some transformation to do with the ownership, and then you will need just to confirm your choice. So basically, those are the steps on how to change owners of your objects or records in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.